Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an update on agent log integration with Conversation AI. So the idea here is agent logs is now a first-class part of Conversation AI experience. Inspect how your AI employees handle the conversation turn by turn, step by step, without leaving the tools you're already using every day. We've connected the Conversation AI to the same observability stack that powers Agent Studio and Voice AI. So support ops and builders get a one consistent place to debug prompts, tools, latency, and token usage. Conversation AI in the agent logs, and you can kind of see this on my screen here, where basically what it is showing you is how exactly you can go through and look at all of these logs and how they interacted with a specific conversation. You can look at the execution graph. There's a lot of cool stuff here that you can do. Whoop, let me just make this a little bigger for all of us. So over here on the right-hand side, it says agent logs, and you click on that and start jumping in and diving in to look at that traceability. So you get that end-to-end visibility for every AI turn. You can open a trace and walk the execution timeline, user messages, LLM replies, tool calls, knowledge-based lookups, calendar identification, human handover, and more. You can inspect any step in the side panel, input, output, metadata, model details, where they matter for billing and debugging. You can filter and search across agents. You can also, let me just make this even bigger. And channels, contacts, time ranges. You can find the exact conversation you need. Conversation AI spans are adjusted with the same pipeline as the rest of the agent logs. So what you see in the dashboard matches what ran in production. Contact views also in the agent logs, so you can find and debug a contact not just by trace. Logs to browse AI activity around people, not only individual sessions or trace IDs, so you can see all the stuff that happened with a contact. You can also quickly see which contacts had AI conversations, drill into those logs, and kind of move from who had issues to what happened in that thread in a lot fewer steps. So this really radically changes the game when it comes to figuring out what AI is doing. And again, here is all of the ability to go in, and when you're, you can now customize the widgets around all of this as well, which is very cool. This is the agent logs UI revamp, clearer, faster debugging at the message level, log details, everything else, expanded KPI coverage, giving you more options around what you can put in the actual dashboards and agent logs when you're configuring them. You can also do things like flexible widget engines, so you can add and remove layouts, operational insights, so like top agents, top action nodes. There is a ton in here. There'll be a very big help doc that comes out on this in short order. But for those of you who are waiting on this, I did not want to hold up this video on this release, because as you can see, there is a great deal in here that for you to check out. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.